Welcome to A to Z Fitness. Our program is Bulk Gain. Bulk Gain is a 12 weeks mass building program. This program I divide in two phases. Phase 1 first 6 weeks. Phase 2 next 6 weeks. Phase 1 workout split is Monday we are training chest and tricep. Tuesday we are training quads, hams and calves. Wednesday will be the rest day. For Thursday we are training back and biceps. For Friday we are training shoulder and traps. For Saturday we are training abs and cardio. Sunday will be the rest day. We train fast twitch fiber in this phase. Now, rep ranges will be 6 to 8. Rest period will be 2 to 3 minutes. Set will be 3 to 4. And nutrition. Workout days 3400 calories. For rest days 2050 calories. Now phase 2. Workout split is for Monday we are training chest and triceps. For Tuesday we are training quads, hams and calves. For Wednesday we are training abs and cardio. For Thursday, we are training back and biceps. For Friday, shoulder and traps. Saturday and Sunday will be the rest day. We train fast twitch fiber and slow twitch fiber. Now, rep ranges will be 10 to 12. Rest period will be 2 minutes. Set 3 to 4. Nutrition. For workout days 3600 calories. For rest days 2050 calories.